Now to make this kind of a square or hexagonal or a pentagon or any other shape that you like, you take a piece of cardboard, you cut it how wide you want your bangle to be. Now this is like 1 inch wide, so you, and then the strips that we made for the circular bangle before, this one that we made for the circular bangle, I'll just cut it because I want to show you something. You can join it later on. So that fits your hand. So you measure the length. Now this strip is little less than 9 inches, but you try to make it a round figure. So because you have to divide it, that strip into equal parts, so if you have a round figure it becomes easy for you to divide it. So unless you want very precise measurement, and that's what I did, and this fits perfectly to me. So like this was little less than 9 inches, so I made this strip in 9 inches, and then to make a hexagon shape you need to divide it into 6 parts. So I divided this strip into 6 parts, and it's like 1.5 inch. So after you, and this is 1 inch wide, and I divided the strips into 1.5 inch, like 6 parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So after you divide the strips into 6 parts, all you do is just score the strip. So you take a knife, we'll just put these aside. So you score it like this. And after scoring it, you will cover this whole thing with the masking tape, so you have something like this, and then the thing that you have scored so will give you the shape. So this is the one that will give you hexagonal shape. So now we need to join this 2 parts. So for that I'll use a tape. Put one end of it like this and the other one like this, and you cover that tape with the masking tape. So press it inside like this. So you got the hexagonal shape. Now if you want to make it into a square shape, same thing, you take the measure of the strip and then you divide that into, like now this one I made it into 2 inches, so, and I made it little smaller than 9 inches, but you can make it into like 9.5 and divide it into. So after you divide it into 4 parts, you score it again. Same thing. And after scoring it, you covered the whole thing with the masking tape, and after you covered it with masking tape, you join this two things the same way and put a masking tape around, and you got a square shaped bangle. So the same thing you can do with the 5-sided. You divide the strip into 5 parts, and then you score it, and then you join together. So you get different shapes of bangle base, and now the tube ones. All you do is, I have a tube like this which I got from the Home Depot. Now this one is the skinny one. This one is 1/4 inch wide, this strip, and the other one I have is little bigger, which is 3/8 inch wide. So this one is 3/8 inch. So what you do, you just measure your hand, and just like, it should be easy to come off, and you cut it. So I have already cut the piece over here. Okay. And you cut it at an angle, so when you join it, so this piece is perfect for my hand. So I think, so you cut it and you at an angle and you join it. You can try to heat it a little bit and join it together, and then put a duct tape around, or the other big piece that we have, you just cut a piece of big piece, and then you put that in, and you connect it, these two ends, with this big piece. So, but only thing is, like, when you're using this big piece, you just make sure you make it little smaller, or you can tighten it like this. And then this one is I made it from this kind of bangles, and even this one is decorated. So in my next video I'll show you how to decorate these bangles, and this is the square one which I did. So watch my next video where I'll show you how to decorate all these bangles. And these all I did it with ribbon, and this one was done with yarn. So I'll show you how to decorate all these bangles. So thank you for watching. Bye.